For professional pool fence installation in Media, Pennsylvania, trust Hoff The Fence Contractors. We specialize in secure, durable, and stylish pool fencing solutions that enhance safety while complementing your outdoor space. Our expert team installs high-quality fences, including aluminum, vinyl, and glass options, ensuring compliance with local safety regulations. Whether you need a fence to protect children and pets or to add privacy, we provide custom designs tailored to your needs. With top-notch craftsmanship and reliable service, we make pool safety effortless. Contact Hoff The Fence Contractors today for a free consultation and estimate. Are you looking for a pool fence installation near me? You can stop looking. You found Hoff The Fence Contractors. Do I need a pool fence in Media, Pennsylvania? Yes, Pennsylvania law requires pool fences to meet safety regulations to prevent accidents. What are the pool fence requirements in Media, Pennsylvania? Pool fences must be at least 48 inches tall, have self-closing and self-latching gates, and have no climbable openings. What is your pool fence installation office in Media, Pennsylvania? Our local pool fence installation office has served Media, Boothwyn, Garnet Valley, Glen Mills, Rose Tree, Edgmont, Newtown Square, Moylan, Springfield, Morton, Folsom, Ridley Park, Eddystone, Brookhaven, Wallingford, Rose Valley, Elwyn, Glen Riddle, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania. Where is your Hoff The Fence Contractors office located? We are located at 610 Painter Street, Suite A, Media, Pennsylvania 19063. Our phone number is 610-472-7167. Visit our website, https://hoffthefence.com/media Pennsylvania Fence Installation Repair Contractor /